Hey there, it's Sarah. Today, we're going to uncover the signals many men often miss that indicate she might not be interested in pursuing a relationship. These cues can be subtle, hidden in her behavior, the way she responds to your messages, or even in her interactions with you. By the end of this video, you'll have a keen eye for these telltale signs, giving you a clearer understanding of her true feelings. Hold on tight until the end for our game-changing bonus tip. That's a crucial piece of advice for effectively responding to these signs, enhancing your understanding and approach. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Before we kick things off, for those wondering how to enhance their dating life, our coaches are here to help. Click the link in the pinned comment for a free 60-minute strategy session. Ready to become more attuned to what she's really communicating? Let's dive in and discover these signs together. 1. She avoids making plans with you. Have you ever tried to set up a date or a casual hangout only to be met with a litany of excuses? I have to work late. I'm just so busy this week, or the classic, maybe another time. If she's always dodging plans, it's a glaring neon sign that she's just not that into you. While everyone has a hectic schedule now and then, a woman who is genuinely interested will find a way to carve out time for you, even if it means rescheduling other commitments. Her consistent avoidance and perpetual busyness aren't just bad luck or poor timing. They're clear indicators that you're not a priority in her life. Now, let's be real here. Why waste your precious time and energy chasing after someone who doesn't seem excited to spend time with you? It's like trying to win a game where the other team doesn't even show up. Redirect your efforts to someone who reciprocates your interest and enthusiasm. Life is too short to be spent waiting around for someone who keeps you at arm's length. Focus on finding someone who matches your investment and shows genuine excitement about being with you. Remember, a woman who is truly interested will move mountains to be in your company, not build walls to keep you out. 2. She doesn't respond to your messages. Picture this. You muster up the courage to send her a thoughtful text, eagerly awaiting her reply. Hours turn into days, and her response, if it comes at all, is brief and nonchalant. Sound familiar? If she takes an eternity to get back to you or doesn't respond at all, it's a pretty clear signal that she's not invested in the conversation or in you. While everyone gets busy, consistent delays or complete radio silence are red flags. Communication is a two-way street, especially in the early stages of attraction. If she's genuinely interested, she'll be just as eager to keep the conversation flowing as you are. Let's face it, playing the waiting game can be frustrating and demoralizing. It's like shouting into the void, hoping for an echo that never comes. Instead of wasting your energy on someone who doesn't value your time, shift your focus to someone who does. Reciprocation is key in any budding relationship. You deserve someone who's excited to hear from you and responds with the same enthusiasm you bring to the table. Don't settle for breadcrumbs when you can have a feast and find someone who values your messages as much as you value theirs. 3. She doesn't make an effort to get to know you. You're on a date, and you find yourself carrying the entire conversation, asking her about her interests, her dreams, and her favorite memories. But when it's her turn, she doesn't reciprocate. Instead of diving into your world with curiosity, she offers surface-level responses and fails to probe closer into your life. This lack of effort to get to know you better is a telltale sign that she's not truly invested. In any meaningful connection, both parties should be equally curious and eager to uncover each other's stories, passions, and quirks. If she's not showing interest in who you are beyond the superficial, it's a clear indication that her heart and mind aren't in it. Let's talk about the importance of mutual contribution in conversations and relationships. A one-sided effort is like trying to row a boat with just one, or you'll end up going in circles, getting nowhere fast. Relationships thrive on balanced exchanges where both people are engaged and invested. If she's not asking questions or showing genuine interest in your life, it's time to rethink where you're putting your energy. Don't settle for someone who doesn't see the value in discovering the real you. Instead, seek out a partner who is just as eager to learn about your world as you are about hers. Remember, a true connection is built on a foundation of mutual curiosity and appreciation, not on one-sided interrogations. 4. She doesn't touch or flirt with you back. Ever notice how the slightest touch can speak volumes? A playful nudge, a gentle brush of the hand, these small gestures can light up a conversation and signal mutual attraction. But what if those signals aren't being returned? If she's not initiating any physical contact or flirting back when you make a move, it's a clear sign that the chemistry might not be there for her. Physical touch and playful banter are key indicators of interest and attraction. If she's keeping her distance and your attempts at flirting fall flat, it's likely that she sees you more as a friend or acquaintance rather than a potential romantic partner. But don't get discouraged just yet. Flirting is an art, and like any art, it can be mastered with the right approach. If you find yourself struggling to spark that mutual interest, it might be time to refine your skills. Appreciating the advice? If you want to dive deeper, our free 60-minute strategy call is perfect for those ready to change their dating dynamics. Learn powerful strategies to meet more women and build your confidence. Secure your spot via the link in the pinned comment. 5. She doesn't introduce you to her friends or family. Imagine you've been seeing someone for a while, and things seem to be going well. Yet, when it comes to meeting the important people in her life, friends, family, maybe even her pet, there's a noticeable absence of invitations. If she's not introducing you to her inner circle after a reasonable amount of time, it's a significant red flag. Introducing a partner to friends and family is a natural progression in any serious relationship. It shows that she's proud to have you in her life and sees a potential future with you. If these introductions aren't happening, it could mean she's not considering you as a long-term prospect. Let's be fair and acknowledge that there can be exceptions. Maybe she comes from a very private or conservative background where introducing someone to the family is a monumental step, laden with cultural or religious significance. In such cases, a lack of introductions doesn't necessarily spell doom. But if you notice a pattern of excuses with no clear cultural or ethical reasoning, it's time to face the music. She might be keeping you at arm's length because she doesn't see a future with you. Don't waste your time trying to break through barriers that she's intentionally putting up. 6. She doesn't laugh at your jokes. Have you ever cracked a joke, only to be met with an awkward silence or a polite smile? If she rarely laughs at your jokes, it might not just be a matter of taste. It could be a sign she's not feeling the chemistry. Humor is a powerful tool in building connections and showing compatibility. When someone genuinely enjoys your company, they'll often find themselves laughing along with you, even at the little things. If your attempts at humor consistently fall flat, it might indicate that she's not on the same wavelength or doesn't find your personality particularly engaging. Now, let's be clear. Not everyone has the same sense of humor, and that's okay. But in the context of a budding romance, laughter is an essential ingredient. It breaks the ice, eases tension, and fosters a sense of intimacy. If she's not responding to your jokes, it's a subtle yet telling sign that she might not see you as a romantic match. Instead of trying harder to win her over with humor that doesn't resonate, take it as a cue to find someone who gets your jokes and shares your sense of fun. After all, a partner who laughs with you will also share in your joys and help lighten your burdens, making every moment together that much sweeter. And here's a bonus tip for you. If she's consistently avoiding being alone with you, it's a pretty strong indication that she's not feeling that romantic spark. One-on-one time is crucial for building intimacy and getting to know each other on a closer level. When she keeps you at a distance, always preferring the safety of a group setting, it's a sign she might be more comfortable with you as a friend than a potential partner. Think about it. In a budding relationship, those moments spent alone together are golden. They're when you really connect, share secrets, and create lasting memories. If she's constantly too busy for solo dates or always insists on inviting friends along, she's likely signaling that she doesn't see a future with you in a romantic sense. Don't take it personally. Instead, recognize it as a cue to redirect your efforts. There's someone out there who will be eager to spend quality time alone with you, exploring shared interests and building a meaningful connection. Don't settle for group settings when you deserve someone who values your company one-on-one. So now you know the signs she doesn't like you? What's next for you? Discover 20 signs a younger woman likes an older man, or learn how to build sexual tension with younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.